Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, August 16th. Thank God it's Friday. Yeah. What a rough week. But the good news is that liquidity has gotten better. At least yesterday, liquidity was better. And hopefully it'll be better today. And the markets will not be so thinly traded, which makes life really difficult when you're trying to trade. So what's on the docket today? We got 8:30 numbers. We got housing starts. Um, 8:30. Let's see. We should have just had those. Let me refresh this. Yeah. So we had building permits or 1.4 million. They expected 1.43. That I don't even care about this number. Housing starts. That's not good. We want to see housing getting started, especially now because we're going to move into 90 days from now. We'll be in December or close to December, and that's the winter season. So we need to get these houses started and finished before the slow construction time comes over the winter. So that's not very good. That's not great. And this also may be because interest rates, mortgage rates have been so high. Maybe this is starting to slow the housing market. What else have we got? 10 a.m. We've got preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment report, as well as the preliminary University of Michigan inflation expectations at 10 a.m. Also at 1:25, we have a talking head FOMC member Goolsby speaking. So there you have it. That's what's going on today. Looking at charts, the daily chart here. You can see this is the 6 days up, and now we're gapping down. Remember, the market loves threes, fives, sevens, and 12s. So maybe this is just a fake out, and we're going to have a seventh day up because that's what the odds would say is that we've already got 6 days up. Because the market loves the pattern of 7 days up, we could probably see a seventh day up. Would not surprise me to see us test this high from back in August 1st, which is 5601. 5600 is still the number. We can get above that. We can continue to go on up. If we hit that, it will be a pretty major double top, and I can see us retracing back down from that. So 5600 on the top side is the number to be watching. On the downside, this low volume node here, 5437 is kind of that's going to be some major support. If we get down to it, we break below that, all bets are off. Of course, 5500 is going to be a whole number. I'm sorry, 5500 is a whole number, and that will also be on everybody's radar. But I expect us to be, I don't think we're going to have a huge day one way or the other. Look at volume. We did have very slight increasing volume over these last 4 days, but it's minimal, and it's minimal volume based on the overall picture. You can see I've got a moving average here, and we're well below the moving average for volume. So again, we've talked about this before, but when volume doesn't confirm price movement, it usually means that the price movement is fake. And that's the polite way of saying BS, which is, the polite way of saying, what. But that being said, moving on. So what else we got? The inventory was positive yesterday, 14,000 contracts, and price was positive. These are correlated. Everybody's happy. The market's doing what it's supposed to do. Of course. Intraday overnight action is approximately 30 points above average, but much less than we've been doing lately. So volatility may be coming down a bit. Again, 5600 on the top side is the number to be watching. 5610, 5630, 5650. There's a good bit at 5660 for resistance, for support. 5520, 5500, the big number. And then down here, we've got a bunch of stuff going on down here at 5473. Below that, maybe 5450 area. So there you have your support and resistance areas. Stock Traders Almanac for today says 61.9% chance the market will go up. So obviously, that is an 11.9 percentage advantage above 50/50. So there you have it, 61.9 from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great weekend. See you guys on Monday. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.